Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable enter key to send messages in your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this you have to open your WhatsApp. Now click on three dots. Press on settings and go to chats. Here you can see the option of enter is sent. Enter key will send your message. If you want to disable this, you just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how to disable enter key to send message in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.